Picnic. Pag nag-aalaga ng bata. 1.
Hey, it's not like that. It's not like this.
Okay.
It's like this.
Okay. Like this.
Like
2.
this. Like this.
2.
And
Okay.
then
2.
stay like that.
2.
Okay.
Stay like that. 2.
2,
2. Running.
3,
Para hindi mapagod. 3. Ang bata. Para hindi antokin.
4,
4. Hashtag OFW.
5,
Life. 5.
6,
So ito na pong entry ninyo for today. Sa ating
7,
supas.
7.
Pupo.
Not like
Pupo
this.
family. Like
Not
this.
like this, okay?
Okay. Like this. Pupo family, ito na yung ating entry.
8,
Dito kayo magko-comment para sa inyong supas.
9,
9. Supas.
10,
10. So dito
11,
yung ating entry. Pupo family.
14.
See you. Kailangan makikita ko yung name ninyo para diretso dito ako maglilista. Pupo family, ito po yung entry ninyo.
Kaka.
Okay, univa kaka.
You go there, you go. Now, can you wait for me? You stay there.
Yes. Tatay daw siya. So, tatay daw siya. Minsan, pero yung alaga ko, ako naman. So, stay here. So, Pupo family, dito kayo magko-comment ng hashtag sopas. Okay? Hashtag sopas. Sa English, bread. Sa Tagalog, tinata. Entry sa Pupo. Kasi nyo.
I'm not ready.
It's not talaga. Okay. So, hashtag supas. Tapos, in 3 minutes, panood, share, comment, subscribe. Pupo kami, supas. Hashtag supas. Tapos, in 3 minutes, share.